Hey, we have some exponents here and we're told to simplify. We have the first expression, which is negative 6p q to the negative 3. All that is times 2p to the fourth q. So it's just one big long multiplication. The parentheses that we see here don't even matter. So let's just find like things. We got negative 6 and a positive 2. That would give me a negative 12 if I multiply them. Then I have a p, which is a p to the first and a p to the fourth. We'll add exponents there, which will be p to the 1 plus 4. And then lastly, the q's. I have a q to the negative 3 and a q to the first. So that'll be q to the negative 3 plus 1. So if I clean all that up, do the arithmetic in the exponent position, I'll have 12p to the fifth q to the negative 2. And I don't want to leave negative exponents, so I'll have negative 12p to the fifth on top, and I'll take that to the bottom as q squared. And that's the form that I'm looking for. Moving negative exponents to the bottom. Don't leave them negative.